How to fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now, easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first, just open your browser and then click these 3 points here and click history. Now just click clear browsing data and then click, now just select all of those here and then select one day and click clear data, and after that just turn off your browser and open task manager. Make sure your browser is not running in your PC background, and that's it. Now just open it again, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.